Well, we've partnered up with Qualcomm. We plan to put an initial array of 648 satellites up, and if that's successful, we want to go to 2,400 satellites, so more satellites than are currently in the sky today. The idea is to try to reach the literally billions of people who don't have internet access or Wi-Fi access. A lot of them don't even have mobile phone access. And to do so with good quality reception at good prices, and that's something which we both feel confident about, and we've got some other quite large investors who we're going to be announcing over the last 2 or 3 months who also believe in the idea and think it could work.
Richard, the model for this, and in particular the audience, U.S. based, is this global? And let's talk a little bit about the economics, because I'm just curious to try to understand what the cost base will be for those who are trying to get at this service relative to other opportunities, and where you see this all relative to what Google is trying to do, for example, with Loon.
As far as America is concerned, obviously it's great. Whatever President Obama announces tomorrow is great, but there will still be plenty of places in America where they can't get internet access, and we'll be able to supply those. But I think the big beneficiaries of this are going to be third world countries where they're just not getting education, they're not getting they're not getting all the benefits that you get from having internet. I mean, being able to set up their own businesses and so on. And I think that they will benefit enormously from this. As far as price is concerned, I mean, the initial array is going to cost nearly $2 billion to do, but we can still be very competitive on price as far as the end user is concerned, and we believe that the break even of this is not enormous. It's something which we've looked at, Qualcomm and Virgin Group have looked at closely, and we feel makes sense economically as well. It's also fantastic for Virgin Galactic because we have Launcher One, which is a very efficient way of putting satellites into space, and much more efficient than the big satellites the big rockets of the past. So we can literally take off every 3 or 4 hours, replenish satellites as and when they come out after 5 years, and take off again and put more up. So it's a great boost for Virgin Galactic as well.